Welcome to phonics class. A, in, an, ip, in, ban, ik, in, can, if, in, fan, ij, in, jan, im, in, man, ip, in, pan, ir, in, ran, it, in, tan, if, in, van, an, ban, can, fan, jan, man, pan, ran, tan, van. Thank you, cuties. Bye bye.